Stellenbosch is one of South Africa's preeminent, internationally renowned wine regions. What is lesser known, perhaps, is the incredible diversity of terroir found within the scenic wards of this region. Neil Ellis Stellenbosch Cabernet Sauvignon is a multi-vineyard blend that shows the beautiful balance that can be created by combining diverse yet complementary components. Utilizing grapes from different areas around the City of Oaks to bring out a quintessential Stellenbosch Cabernet allows this wine to show the full spectrum of terroir nuances and withstand vintage variation. For Neil Ellis, site expression is synonymous with Cabernet Sauvignon. The challenge of vinifying this variety is how you use building blocks from eclectic sites to design a harmonious wine that ultimately gives you the most enjoyment, but also a wine with distinctive characteristics that can hold its own anywhere in the world. However, it is the structure and linearity of Jonkershoek and the luscious fruit of Bottelaray that form the core of this wine. Every piece of the puzzle adds its own magic.